April with Main Attraction. Welcome to my channel. I actually coming on just for a very short video to let you see my mini twist that my baby girl, which is 14 years old, she did for me last night. It took her about 6 hours to do, so I kind of have them accessorized with some of my hair accessories here. And I think I purchased these from Victoria's Secret. And so I just have them back in two little, just pull back for a different look so it won't be in my face. And I will be doing a Mielle growth oil challenge for 2 weeks. I'll have these mini twists in my hair for about 2 to 3 weeks. I'm gonna try to go 3 weeks, but for sure 2 weeks, and I'll make sure I apply this growth oil, which has biotin, in daily. At least once a day. I'll take about 2 droppers and put it in my hair every day, and then massage my scalp as I continue on this hair growth journey. I'm currently, I'm not sure, but this is my hair in the back. I think she did pretty good with my protective style. I was actually supposed to get my hair in knotless braids, but the girl kept pushing my date back. So my daughter has been wanting to do my mini twist on my natural hair. So that's what we have here. And if you don't mind, would you please like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video, and just offer any suggestions of hairstyles you would like to see. Whether you would like to see a tutorial on this style, I can show you that as well. But yeah, my ends, they're a little curly because what I did, I used the very smallest perm rod to curl my ends up so I can have a little curl on the end so they won't be as straight. Again, I'm going to apply this oil for 2 weeks. And what you do here, I've already applied some, so I'll just show you. I'm going to apply just a little bit on each part. Just work it in